do it for the tube.
Yeah.
What's gonna do with that?
Right. Oh, exactly. What can you do? Packing So Jalen and Chauncey are leaving out. There they go. So we're off to church now. My husband already left. So we prayed before they left and everything. Safe travels. So pray that all goes well. It's Sunday afternoon and look, the baby fell asleep right there on the floor. I was sitting on the floor taking my shoes off and he fell asleep. Sitting right at my feet. Been there a while too. It is Sunday after church and I am thanking the Lord for leftovers. Grateful. Let's get started. It's looking a lot like Christmas. So we're on our way to Isaiah's band concert. So I'll bring y'all along with us for a little bit of it. Y'all know he don't want to be on camera.
So I'm like, this will be the last year I'm going to be making.
Really?
Really?
Hey, how are you, buddy?
It's the last year?
Oh.
I know, I just paid the instrument off, too.
That's what I thought. I said, no way. You asked for that?
I'll try to sell it.
Unboxing and setup coming soon. I am so excited. All right, you guys. So I purchased mine from Best Buy. And let me go ahead and get this plastic off of here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see how to get in this. You almost don't want to open it. It's so pretty. Let's lift this up here. Come on. Oh, wow. So that's the pretty box. And I'm going to lift it up. Oh my goodness. I'm going to first see what's in this box here. So we have the cord. Set that to the side. And we have the coveted gold stickers. That is so pretty. So pretty. And instructions, of course. Little operating manual. And then we have the charging brick. Everything all nice and shiny. So there it is. And that's everything. So now we're going to get to the Mac itself. It comes in this cover to prevent scratching. Oh, that's pretty. Let's get this off. Ooh-wee, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So let us get her opened up. You're supposed to open it this way. See the sleek design. Has the little rubber feeding so it won't slide. So we're going to open it up. And here is the covering. Oh my goodness! And it starts to charge up right away. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I just went to Dollar Tree, Burlington. Didn't vlog at all. My mind was somewhere else. preparing dinner. Got some fried chicken that I got from Walmart and some macaroni and cheese. Do y'all know, well, some of you know and some of you all do not, you can freeze macaroni and cheese and plenty of other things after you make them and just thaw it out in the refrigerator. And what I'm doing is just adding milk and then some shredded cheese to this and some Lowry seasoning salt. And it tastes so, so good.